Welcome to this video from the University of Reading Library on using your campus card to enter the library building. The access gates ensure that study spaces can only be used by current staff and students, so you will need your campus card to come into the building. If you have forgotten your card, please ask at the welcome desk, but be aware there is a limit on the number of times you will be allowed in without your card, so please try to bring it with you every time you visit the library. Approach the gates when they are green. If somebody has just entered before you, wait until they turn green before you attempt to come through. Go through the gates one at a time and leave a bit of space between people to ensure success. Tap your card on the top of the gate just underneath the green arrow. You will hear a beep and the gates will open and let you through. You will need to scan your card in the same way to leave the building. If an alarm sounds as you try and exit the building, the gate will not open. If this happens, please go and talk to the staff on the welcome desk who will be happy to help. Thank you for watching this video.